Hello guys, welcome to the new session Maths with Mallesh, and in this episode we are going to start quadratic equations, and I am going to teach you introduction of quadratic equations in this episode, and next episode we are going to solve original questions which are exactly coming in the banking exams. And as we know, 5 questions damn surely we are getting in every banking preliminary exam. So without making delay, let's get into the topic. Learn how to solve quadratic equation with one example, and then we are going to solve original questions. See, first of all, this is a quadratic equation in x and this is the quadratic equation in y. They will give you two quadratic equations now, and this is the actual form of quadratic equation: x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equals to 0, and this is also no need. This no need in our exam. Must take product. Write product. Product you can represent as a P. Here also product P, and sum is equals to S and sum is equals to S. Now product value, how much it is there at the last constant? Same as it is right. Clear? Next, sum value negative 22 is there here middle, negative 22. Take its reverse. Negative 22 is there. Take positive 22. Clear? Same process apply here also. What is product value? Of course 2. And what is sum value? Here positive 3 is there, negative 3 is taken. Can I explain one more time? So no. 120 as it is 120 product ho gaya, or negative 22 will become positive 22 in sum. Khatam. Take 2 as a product and a positive 3 is there, negative 3 as a sum. 20% and a 20%, 40% completed. Now remaining 40%. Now here, two numbers, product 120 and sum 22. We need two numbers which gives product 120 and sum 22. 10, 12. Am I correct or not? 10 12s are 120, perfect, and 10 plus 12 22 हो गया, 60% काम हो गया. Now here product we want 2 and sum we want negative 3. Sum we want negative 3. Minus 2 and minus 1. Correct or not? Minus 2 into minus 1, product 2, perfect. Minus 2 minus 1 addition, minus 3, perfect. So this is 20% and this is 20%. This is 20%, this one and this one 20%, and ranking is the last 20%. Ranking. In this, what is big value? 12. Give rank as a 1. And then what is next big value? 10. Give rank as a 2. And in this, what is big value? Minus 1. Rank 3. And what is next least value? Minus 2. Rank 4. Completed. 12 will go with the first rank, 10 will go with the second rank, minus 1 will go with the third rank, minus 2 will go with the fourth rank. Just I am going to revise you. Take product of the roots, sum of the roots. Take product of the roots, sum of the roots. Clear. Product of the roots as it is take. 120 as it is 120, 2 as it is 2. And sum of the roots, negative 22 will become positive 22 and positive 3 will become negative 3. 20%, 40% completed. Now, what are the roots? Sum 120, sum 22, 10 plus 12, 22, perfect. And multiplication 120, perfect. Here product 2, minus 2 into minus 1, positive 2. And sum negative 3, minus 2 minus 1, minus 3, perfect. So this is 20% and this is 20% and this one is 20% and this one is 20%. Now 80% of the solving completed. Moving on to the next 20%, which is finding option. See, now how to select option A, B, C, D, E according to the condition. Now till now x value finding completed and y value finding completed. Now and then what is the next procedure? Ranking. Ranking according to the big value to the small value. If suppose x got first rank, second rank, and y got third and fourth. मतलब what? X rank is 1 and 2 and y rank is 3 and 4. मतलब x is always greater than y. X is always greater than y. मतलब option A. Now moving on to the next question, next option, x got 3 and 4th position and y got 1 and 2 position. मतलब what? X is always less than y. This is the option. X is always less than y. 1, 2, 3, 4, x greater than y. 4, 3, 2, 1, x less than y. Clear? Perfect. Next, if you observe here, we have 2 as a equal position for the x and y, and here also 2 is equal in the both position, and in this case either option C naito option D. అంటే 2 అనేది కామన్ గా ఉంది కదా, సో మనం ఆప్షన్ సి అన్న తీసుకుంటాం లేదా ఆప్షన్ డి అన్న తీసుకుంటాం. నౌ x is equals to y, x is equals to y, y equal symbol because 2 came. Now x occupied first position, matlab x greater than y, and y occupied first position, so x less than or equals to y. 1, 2, 2, 3, x greater than y. 3, 2, 2, 1, x less than y, and the remaining all are fifth option, x is equals to y or relation not there, relation not there. And these are the basics of quadratic equations.